This is Jeff, JBM9 Labor, here at 3 Nob Hill, University City, 63130. Doing a sewer inspection from a outside clean out here. This is the view of the house. Front door, we are just right out here. Go ahead and zero out the counter. Head in. Alright, we are here at the base of the stack. We're going to pull out to where it starts to turn. There we got a little turn. We're going to mark this location. Alright, we got this spot marked roughly 1 foot 4 inches below grade. We're going to go ahead and continue back. outgoing side now. Pass some leaves in. And zero out the counter. Crack in the pipe right there. Pause this video. Alright, we got that spot marked roughly 6 feet, 6 feet 8 inches. Through there, we were right in the middle of the sidewalk at that point. Looks like we are going into MSD. Looks like MSD might have some cracks. I'm going to pause it here. We're going to check out the kitchen sink line. Alright, we are now going through the kitchen sink here in the basement, laundry. Pause it here. Alright, I am roughly here at the base area right before it sweeps out. And I am not able to get any further. A lot of buildup in the line. And that will conclude this video inspection.